contractors really screw the claim up sometimes. They get it early and they have some missteps, and then they beat it to death and they reach the stalemate, and then they hang on to it for a few more months, and then they turn it over to a public adjuster. And let me tell you, once a claim has lost all momentum for a lot of different reasons that I understand on the back end of it with the insurance company that have to do with timelines and reserves and things like that. But for almost every practical reason, when a claim loses all of its momentum, it's really hard to regain that momentum. So if it's a larger complex claim and there's going to be a usefulness for a public adjuster at some point in the process, I would encourage people to engage them early. As a matter of fact, a lot of our most successful claims, we were engaged long before a claim was filed. We filed the claim, and we filed the claim with an appropriate proof of loss because we had already done all of the investigation, the estimating, everything that had to be done to make sure that that claim was turned in a way that's complicit with the statutes in that state and the policy that governs that particular claim. Because if you start off on the right foot, I mean, you can have a lot more success. If you shoot yourself in the foot right off the bat, the best public adjuster in the world is not going to be able to save you 6 months down the road.